This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. In Assam, the Health Department would provide a pulse oximeter and first-line supportive medicines for free to COVID-19 affected people preferring to stay in home isolation in Guwahati city from today. In a tweet, Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said the telemedicine service has been activated through 104 and it would be expanded to other places soon. 1,734 patients were discharged from hospitals after recovery. There are 16,364 COVID-19 active cases at present. 5 COVID-19 patients have succumbed to their infections yesterday. In Meghalaya, 67 persons have recovered from COVID-19 yesterday, while 39 new positive cases were reported, taking the total number of active cases to 566. Director of Health Services Dr. Amanwar informed that out of 67 persons who have recovered, 51 of them are BSF personnel and 16 others. There are 490 persons who have recovered from COVID-19 so far. Out of 39 new cases, 18 are from East Khasi Hills District, 20 from Ribhoi District and 1 case from East Jaintia Hills District. Meghalaya has a total of 1,062 COVID-19 cases, which include 566 active cases, 490 recovery cases and 6 deceased. The Manipur Health Department has advised people to stop wearing using chlorine dioxide releasing cord device virus shutout made in foreign countries. Spokesperson of the State Health Department through a press handout said the use of the device has increased among the public. Chlorine dioxide is an aqueous solution and used for disinfection of drinking water. The State Health Department said that it does not recommend the use of such unproven devices to prevent the COVID-19 pandemic. The device is being sold in many medicine shops at escalated rates due to huge demand. Meanwhile, 118 people, including 28 personnel from the Central Armed Police Force, have tested positive for COVID-19, while 117 people were discharged from hospitals. There are 3,753 patients so far, out of which 2,044 of them have recovered, while 1,698 are under treatment. The Mizoram University yesterday deferred the upcoming undergraduate examinations slated for today following appeals from student bodies and Mizoram Principals Council due to the surge in COVID-19 cases. A notification issued by the university said undergraduate semester examination will not be held from August 10 to 14th and it will be conducted after September 3rd. There is no change in respect of the MCA and BCA examinations. Mizoram has reported 608 COVID-19 cases till yesterday, after 43 people, including 17 BSF personnel, have tested positive for COVID-19. In Arunachal Pradesh, 68 more people, including 36 security personnel and a healthcare professional, have tested positive for coronavirus yesterday, taking the state's total count to 2,117. A total of 104 patients were discharged from hospitals. There are 684 active cases now, while 1,430 people have recovered from the infection and 3 died of it. 6 people were also tested positive for COVID-19 in Sikkim, taking the state's caseload to 866. Sikkim has 371 active COVID-19 cases, 484 patients who have recovered, and 1 death case. Nagaland reported 93 new COVID-19 positive cases and 1 death case yesterday, taking the total positive cases to 2,781. 11 people have also recovered from the infection, taking the recovery tally to 904. The ruling Mizo National Front, MNF and Hmar People's Convention HPC have forged an electoral alliance for the upcoming village council and local council polls. Elections to 558 village councils in 9 districts of the state, barring 3 autonomous district council areas and 83 local councils in Aizol municipal area, will be held on August 27th. HPC President Thang Lian Sung said that the alliance was forged last week between leaders of the two parties. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal has asked the Revenue and Disaster Management Department to conduct a detailed survey to find out alleged encroachment on government land across the state. This direction was given during a review meeting held in Guwahati in presence of senior officials. Deputy Commissioners of all the 33 districts of the state will carry out an exhaustive survey of all government lands to figure out lands that are under encroachment. The Deputy Commissioners will submit the report to the government to initiate the next course of action against encroachers. Mizoram Chief Minister Zoram Thanga has released Corona Kavithakal, a collection of poems written by Governor P.S. Sridharan Pillai during the lockdown. The governor has penned at least 13 books in English and Malayalam. 2 more books, Republic Day 2020 and Thus Speaks the Governor, written by Pillai, were also released by Guwahati High Court Chief Justice Ajay Lamba through a video message. On the occasion, the governor shared how he has derived inspiration for writing books. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.